Welcome back to this video. In this week's tutorial, I will show you how to simply rename your page in CorelDraw. Just like what you see right here, I have my 4 pages right here, page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. How do we rename it in different names? First thing first, go ahead and click on here, and then make sure you go to page, and this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and enter the name of the page right here. So I can call this Procure layout, and go ahead and hit on OK. Then you have Procure layout as the name. So go to the second page right here, rename page. So we can call this letter head, and go ahead and hit on OK. So the third one right here, go ahead and click on here, select rename page. So we can call this one flyer. Click on OK. Last one right here, click on here, go ahead and click on rename page. You can call this web graphic, just like so. Hit on OK. It's that simple. So you have all in different names right here. For more tutorial about page layout and page settings in CorelDraw, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.